There are two types of reports on Pluto LMS. The one is at a site level and the other is at a course level. Let's first dive into the site level reports. So when you go to site settings and you navigate to reports, you'll see various reports listed over here. Insights is the machine learning component that Pluto LMS offers. You can track logs, so every single click and action that your users are performing on your site. Live logs, so these are logs in real time. You can track overview statistics, for example, the amount of logins or users by country. And there's also a spam cleaner. What's really great about this is you can actually filter out various spam within your site. As well as MFA reports, which will help you identify multi-factor authentication reports across your site. Let's dive a little bit deeper into the machine learning component of Pluto LMS. If we go to site settings and click on analytics models, we can track a number of analytics models as seen over here. For examples, it will tell you which courses are at the risk of not starting, students at the risk of dropping out, not achieving a minimum grade to pass the course, as well as other models as you can see over here. What's incredibly powerful about Pluto LMS is over time, it will learn the usage of your site based on your user interactions, the reports that you approve, and let you know key outcomes that will help you through your learning programs. For example, courses at the risk of not starting. We can look and we can see that there are insights generated for this. So if we go to actions and we click on insights report, we'll see reports generated based on the courses at risks of not starting. So you'll see this over here, and now you can actually display data for each of these items and highlight the different areas to display more information. This is just a small example of some of the site-wide reports generated by Pluto LMS. You can also go to a particular course. A particular course will have various reports generated for you. For one, you can click on the gradebook on the left-hand side. If you click on the gradebook, it will show you all the students within your particular course, and it will display their marks as you see over here, and it will calculate the percentages for you. The gradebook is incredibly powerful because it pulls in all the activities for you. If you navigate back to your course, on the right-hand side, you'll see more reports, such as the overview of students. So the overview of students will let you know each user within your course and how far they are, showing you what activities they have done and what activities they haven't done. This is incredibly powerful to help you with tracking. Again, if you navigate back, there's also gamification. And you can see grade charts, content accesses, number of active students in your course. For example, if we click on number of active students, we can see over time the active students in your particular course. This is just a demo, but as you populate your system, you'll see more graphs generated for you. For example, if we look at content accesses, you can actually define which activities you want to view. In this example, we're just going to select all and build the graph. What it will do for you is then build a graph, and you can see the progress of all your students for each and every activity, which students have not completed the activity and which have. For example, if you click on that, you can see which students have or have not completed the activity, and you can actually send them a quick email from here. Most of the reports in Pluto LMS are exportable. For example, you can export this to PNG, CSV, or Excel, and you can even export a PDF document from this, which is incredibly powerful for keeping record. You can also see quiz submissions as well as hits distribution. Another powerful tool within Pluto LMS is the course dedication. If we click on course dedication, you can actually define a period that you want to look at. What course dedication does for you, it lets you know the exact amount of time a given user is spending in your course in hours. This is incredibly powerful, particularly if you're awarding CPD points or you need other certifications, so you can track the amount of time a particular student spends in your course. It's very smart because if a student gets up and goes to lunch, it will pause the tracker, so it'll only track the active time spent on your site. This is incredibly powerful and one of the few reports that Pluto LMS generates for you that can help you with your learning progress. There are many other reports, and this is just a sample overview of some of them. We also have API as well as XAPI, which can help you extract information from your system to improve and automate your learning journey.